When it comes to steering and suspension components, Moog is a trusted name known for providing professional-grade, high-performance parts. Their heavy-duty design ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance, making them the preferred choice for technicians and NASCAR crew chiefs alike. One standout feature of Moog's design is the powdered metal gusher bearing, which enables grease to flow through the bearing, preventing premature wear and keeping your vehicle's suspension system functioning optimally. This innovative design is paired with a patented cover plate that offers tighter tolerances compared to traditional models, enhancing the durability of the part. The cover plate also protects against debris, preventing it from leaking into the bearing surface, while the greaseable socket inhibits corrosion and wear by allowing new lubricant to flush out any debris. These engineering features work together to ensure that your vehicle's steering and suspension system maintains like-new performance, even in challenging conditions. A customer shared their experience using Moog components to rebuild the front end of their Tahoe. They found that this part fit perfectly and served as an excellent replacement, reaffirming the quality and reliability Moog is known for. With over a century of automotive experience, Moog products offer the performance, ease of installation, and longevity you expect from a trusted brand. If you want to restore your vehicle's steering and suspension system to peak performance, Moog's heavy-duty components are the ideal choice. This part is engineered to meet or exceed original equipment standards, ensuring it delivers exceptional quality for the long haul. Click the link in the description to purchase this Moog part and enjoy superior performance and durability. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive solutions and top quality replacement parts.